Hi, Ewell, Kansas Home Guys, just over here checking on another project of ours. This is a bathroom we have. We noticed when we bought the house that around the toilet there was a bit of a soft spot, and so we wanted to rip that flooring out and get down to the subfloor, and we noticed there was a lot of rotted wood, things just falling apart from water dripping over the years and not being taken care of. Sometimes that can come from a loose stool, just not securely mounted down and have a good wax ring on there. You really want to check those things out in your own home. Make sure you don't have to get into a project like this. We ripped out a lot of the wood. We put some new 2x6 in there to add a little bit more security. And then we'll finish this out with some more cross bracing and subfloor and then flooring on top of this. Just wanted to show you some of the things that we do to go the extra mile at Kansas Home Guys. Just wanted to make sure that we deliver great product to the next owners of this house.